wanted to share with you a conversation that I had with a client last week that I thought would be helpful no matter what area of dentistry you're actually practicing in. And the question came up about using what she called soft skills. And the more I thought about it, the more I thought, soft skills really isn't the right phrase to use now. Because when you have a solo practice, what used to be considered soft skills as far as communication, the way to talk to your team members, the way to present treatment to your patients, I don't call those soft skills. I actually want to call those essential skills. And let me tell you more about what I'm thinking. It came up in our conversation when we had our coaching call that she was concerned about some of the phrasing and the verbiage that her team was using when talking to one another in front of patients. And that sort of bled over into a conversation about treatment plans and how we actually present treatment to patients. And in the middle of this, we were discussing how the words that we choose make a difference. I know if you've seen me speak across the country or I've worked within your office, you've heard me say on numerous occasions that we don't train people, we teach people. Because I believe that we teach people and we train dogs. And the words that we use really do make a difference. It makes a difference from a respect standpoint. It makes a difference from being able to get down on somebody's level and to be able to communicate eye to eye. And that's the type of thing that we were talking about. So if you're a dentist or an office manager and you're thinking, oh, it's a soft skill, I don't need to worry about that, I want to change your phrase. Instead of saying soft skill to essential skill, because everything that we do when we communicate within our work life or we communicate within our personal life with our families, all of the choices that we make with our vocabulary and verbiage that we're using, it makes a difference. It makes a difference not only to ourselves, but it also makes a difference to the person that you're speaking to and how they receive you. So instead of looking at it as soft skills, think about it as essential skills. Thanks and have a great week.